bronze medalist in runs 100-meter hurdle and 200-meter hurdle. Parang pakinatol. Again, we would like to request our barangay captain to be here in front to give, I will read the citation. Republic of the Philippines, Province of Leyte, Municipality of Tibac, Municipality of Santa Fe, Barangay Tibac, Santa Fe, Leyte, Office of the Punong Barangay Certificate of Recognition is proudly presented to Princess Eunice Paquiros in her outstanding achievement as a gold medalist in elementary 100-meter hurdles during the Grammy 2026 at Bay Leyte. Signed, Honorable Daniel J. Sitan, Punong Barangay. And ito kanina, libreng cash from our Barangay Council. A round of applause. Oh, ano di ba si Siri? Salamat, Pino. Okay, pagpagkinatin niya. Again, a round of applause to Eunice. So, paniguro niya tayo, mag-vlog kaliwat niya ito yung palaro.